Sure you already heard the news that YouTube has done things for smaller creators like play buttons, and today I just got a box and I'm really excited and I'm gonna open it with you guys. Yeah. They emailed me saying for a subscriber special. It's not a lot, but it's something, and I'm gonna open it with you guys because it was just delivered today. Okay, I just picked it up. I put it in here. I'm gonna open it. What the fuck? Whoa, bro, what the fuck? Are you fucking serious? Look at this, what the fuck? Goose Milk God, congratulations for 3 cocksuckers. What? Why? What? Oh, well. Made in China, well, that explains it.